Now you will listen the special update in English.
Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and world over will observe the 27th October tomorrow as Black Day to convey the world that India has occupied their motherland illegally and against their aspirations. Protest marches, rallies and seminars will be held in Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan and all across the world to condemn the invasion of the territory by Indian Army on 27th October 1947 as well as the revocation of Kashmir's special status by Modi-led fascist Indian regime on August 5th last year. The day will be marked by complete shutdown and blackout from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the occupied territory. Call for the observance of the day has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Hurriyat Forum led by Mirwais Umar Farooq and other pro-freedom organizations. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference and the Mirwais Umar Farooq-led Hurriyat Forum in their statements in Srinagar asked people to demonstrate to the world tomorrow that they would not rest till Jammu and Kashmir was liberated from Indian yoke. Other Hurriyat leaders and organizations including Khwaja Firdos, Muhammad Yusuf Naqash, Devinder Singh Bahal, Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front, Jammu and Kashmir National Front, Jammu and Kashmir Employees Movement, Jammu and Kashmir People's League and Jammu and Kashmir Islami Tanzim-e-Azadi in their statements reiterated the Kashmiris' resolve to continue their struggle against India's illegal occupation of Jammu and Kashmir till complete success. Posters again appeared in Srinagar and other parts of the territory today, urging people to observe shutdown in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir tomorrow against the illegal occupation of their motherland by India. It was on 27th October in 1947 when Indian troops, in total violation of the spirit of the partition plan of the subcontinent, had militarily invaded Jammu and Kashmir and illegally occupied it against the will of the Kashmiri people. Every year, Kashmiris observe this day, the darkest day in the history of Jammu and Kashmir, as Black Day to convey to India that they reject its illegal occupation of their motherland. An analytical report released by Kashmir Media Service said, for over 7 decades now, India has been flouting United Nations resolutions by illegally occupying Jammu and Kashmir and employing brutal tactics to crush the will of Kashmiris for freedom, but they would never bow before Indian suppression to accept its illegal occupation of their motherland. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference condemned the murderous attacks on the Kashmiri students, laborers and businessmen working in Indian states and registration of cases under draconian laws against those celebrating in Kashmir Pakistan's victory against India in the Cricket T20 World Cup match in Dubai. The APHC asked India to charge 8 million freedom-loving people of Kashmir under Unlawful Activities Prevention Act if this ridiculous action holds some base. Earlier, the authorities registered cases against several students of 2 medical colleges in Srinagar for cheering the Pakistan cricket team's win. Not able to absorb the defeat, Hindu goons assaulted and injured many Kashmiri students in various colleges of Punjab, while on the other hand, a private school teacher in Rajasthan was expelled from her job after she expressed joy over Pakistan's victory. Meanwhile, 5 people were injured in a grenade blast near Indian Forces bunker in Sumbal area of Bandipora district today. A court of India's notorious National Investigation Agency sentenced 4 Kashmiri youth to 10 to 12 years in jail on fact charges.